Welcome everyone to Captain Nomad's channel. Uh, Glad to see you here. Today I thought we should make a video on whether you should whether you should move to a ESD from what you currently own. I used to own a 2016 R15 a year ago, which was my first motorcycle. My dad had a Kawasaki Bajaj Boxer that he passed on to me when I was in college. It was a fun motorcycle. I've done a lot of rides on it, and I even took it to Bangalore when I got settled there with all my luggage on and everything. That was my first job. Then I bought my first motorcycle in 2018, a used 2016 R15S. When I had started settling into my job, which required a lot of travel. The R15 did a pretty good job. It was a great motorcycle. It could go as fast as I could control. It had really great handling and even the heating issues. Like I never faced any heating issues or anything in general. Basically, it was a great motorcycle. When I was younger and I lived in Chennai, I once saw a retro motorcycle just zipping through the Chennai Bangalore highway, emitting a really sweet melody as it flew past me. Now I knew the Yamaha RX series, but I had never heard or seen anything like this before. There was a distinct exhaust note to it, and it looked more bigger, more badass. And in all seriousness, the motorcycle meant business to me. Then over time, I found out about the SD and started looking around for more of them on the streets. And this was the beginning of the ESD lust that had started blossoming inside me. As time went by, I started learning about the motorcycle more and more. And once I found out that Sadhguru had owned one in his earlier days, I just went bonkers. I just had to own one, you know. So, getting into the part of whether you should buy a ESD by ditching your current motorcycle or having the ESD as a side motorcycle, as a secondary motorcycle. I have a friend who has owned a ESD for the greater part of his lifetime, and when me and my friend Niaz were planning on selling our R15 to upgrade to a better bike, we had a small chat with him regarding this, and he suddenly came up with the bright idea of coaxing us into buying a ESD. Now, up until that day, I had thought that owning and managing a ESD is something that I should be afraid of, you know, considering that these are vintage motorcycles. But he, in his experience of owning them, told me not to worry and that he and his friends could, you know, sort it out. There's no issue as such. That is what he told me. And to be honest, he has kept his promise till date. Understand that owning a ESD is like having a child. You should get into this mature mindset. What I mean is, you can't ride it as aggressively as you do with the modern day motorcycles. Okay, think of it as this war veteran who has paid his dues on the field of duty, and he just wants to chill for the rest of his life. So if you want to go fast, this motorcycle is a no-no, a big no-no for you. The next thing that I should warn you about is the spares. The spare parts are hard to source, and unless you're an experienced guy, you might really get bad quality stuff for say 10 times the actual price of the spare, you know. And even then, only a good mechanic might be able to tell the difference between a good quality and a bad quality. product. Honestly speaking, the spares aren't really cheap, but you still can't say that they're really expensive either. The next thing is, I'd say this is the best bike to learn how to tinker around with motorcycles. But then, so are most of the other age-old motorcycles. Having a carburetor means you don't need a laptop with a ECU mapping software and a degree in I don't know, automobile engineering. Yeah. So, as long as you have the right tools and the willingness to get your hands dirty, good enough. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the fuel efficiency of the motorcycle. This may vary from motorcycle to motorcycle, as you see, even the latest one that came rolling out of the factory is probably around 23, 24 years of age, as of today. Because if I'm not wrong, the last production motorcycle rolled out in 96. So, me personally, I get around 28 to 30 kmpl on highways, and let's just not go into the city part, because then the fuel efficiency really gets disastrous. On top of this, you would need oil as well, as do all other two-stroke engines. Um, Mine consumes around 40 to 50 ml per liter of petrol. That depends completely upon your journey. Like if you're running around about in the city, you probably can do with around 35-40 ml. If you're going for a really long ride, then 50 might be good for you. So yes, not very efficient with respect to the modern motorcycles of today, but who cares? Now let's imagine this. Your dad loves you, right? And he would go to any extent for your betterment, right? Even if he earns peanuts, he would still be in a position to put you in the best school available and would always want the best for you, right? Similarly, considering I don't have a kid, I love my motorcycle and I'd always want the best for it. Even when it means that I can go an extra mile, when it all boils down to the concept of either filling up petrol or filling up my tummy. Now, I'm sure most of you watching this video share my opinion, because otherwise, Yazdi is just an old hag to you who can't run that fast or makes a lot of noise and emits heap loads of smoke when it's running around, right?